7:37, time to zero in on business editor Mike Eppel joining us this morning. And Mike, Home Depot is doing quite well these days.
Yeah, it sure did in the latest quarter, Ted, and it shows the resiliency and strength in the real estate market. People are spending more just on home renovation. Specifically, Home Depot is pointing to that U.S. real estate recovery as an underpinning for its earnings. Company made $2.25 billion in the latest quarter, and the results coming in above expectations. They've raised their forecast for the year as well. So all of this is good news for investors. The stock is already up this morning by 1%, and year to date it's up by 14%. Over the past year, Home Depot has jumped by 43%. It's really tied into what we're seeing in real estate, specifically in the United States. Walmart, meantime, a little different story, at least from an investment standpoint. Walmart made $3.25 billion in the second quarter. It's a lot of money. They sold $120 billion worth of items for the quarter. But after announcing a wage increase for American workers, which is slowly being implemented over the course of the year, plus you've got the strong U.S. dollar hitting the earnings at Walmart in international markets. They price everything in U.S. dollars, and every time the U.S. dollar goes up, their earnings overseas fall. So with that as the backdrop, the company has been investing more in its stores, cleaning things up a little bit. But from an investment standpoint, shares year-to-date down 16% for Walmart, and down by about 2% in the early trade so far this morning. Price for oil overnight hit a 6-year low. It was well below $42 a barrel. It dropped after the latest signal on China's economy came in, and real estate in China actually was showing some resiliency. So the bet is that the Chinese government won't be as willing to do any intervention in the equity markets, and stocks quickly plunged more than 6% on the Chinese benchmarks. The price for oil impacted initially from that, but now we've got crude futures back above $42 a barrel, seeing a little bit of a recovery. We'll see if it actually holds. Price for gas, they're saying the price for gas should slowly start to fall as the summertime comes to an end over the next several weeks. Summertime driving season coming to an end, less demand. And that bombing in Bangkok in Thailand hit the stock market there overnight. Shares down on the benchmark by as much as 3%. Worst day in about 2 years. And the tourism industry, which is key to Thailand's economy, $51 billion a year in tourism dollars coming into the country. Tourism-related stocks in the Thai market down as much as 10% and more in today's trading. Ted, back to you.
All right, good stuff. Thank you, Mike. That's our business editor, Mike Eppel, reporting this morning. You can hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.
BT's Market Report is brought to you by 660 News.